Join me as I dive into the world of Bbai stock and try to figure out what's really happening with it right now. In this video, you'll explore the recent developments surrounding Bbai stock and what it means for investors. Bbai stock has been experiencing some wild swings lately, and it's got traders and investors on edge. This kind of volatility can be unsettling, especially if you're holding on to this stock. You've got to wonder what's driving these price swings and whether it's a good time to buy or sell. The recent price movements have been quite dramatic, with the stock surging one day and then plummeting the next. It's like a roller coaster ride for investors, and it's essential to stay informed to make smart decisions. The concerns are real, and it's natural to feel uncertain about the stock's future. As we try to make sense of it all, it's crucial to consider the bigger picture. What are the underlying factors contributing to this volatility? Are there any red flags or signs of a potential turnaround? These are the questions on every investor's mind. Traders and investors are on high alert, carefully monitoring the situation and adjusting their strategies accordingly. The uncertainty surrounding Bbai stock is palpable, and it's vital to stay ahead of the curve. Analyzing the factors contributing to the stock's movement, market trends play a significant role. The overall market sentiment can greatly impact Bbai stock, and it's essential to consider this when making investment decisions. News and rumors can also send the stock price soaring or plummeting. Investor sentiment is another crucial factor, as it can create a self-reinforcing cycle of buying or selling. Understanding the psychology behind these market movements can help investors make more informed decisions. It's a complex interplay of factors, but staying informed is key. The company's fundamentals also come into play, as a strong financial foundation can help the stock weather any storm. Conversely, weaknesses in the company's financials can exacerbate the volatility. It's essential to dig deeper and assess the company's overall health. Any significant news or announcements can greatly impact the stock's trajectory. A major partnership, a new product launch, or a significant earnings report can all influence investor sentiment and drive the stock price. The latest news on Bbai stock is that several analysts have revised their forecasts, citing concerns about the company's growth prospects. This has led to a surge in selling pressure, which has contributed to the stock's recent decline. Some experts believe that the stock is oversold, and a rebound is imminent. However, others argue that the fundamental issues are too significant to ignore, and the stock's decline is justified. As always, it's essential to do your own research and consult with financial experts before making any investment decisions. The stock's future trajectory will likely depend on the company's ability to address its challenges and deliver strong financial performance. Investors are eagerly awaiting the next earnings report, which could provide valuable insights into the company's health. Recapping the main points, we've discussed the recent volatility in Bbai stock, the factors contributing to its movement, and the latest news that could impact its future. The key takeaway is that investors need to stay informed and adapt to changing market conditions. If you've got any thoughts on Bbai stock or any other investment opportunities, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more insights and analysis on the world of stocks and investing.